many Americans unknowingly fall into financial traps that hinder their wealth-building journey. Surprisingly, it's not a lack of income that leads to financial struggle, but rather repeated money mistakes that persist month after month. The first and most common error is living beyond one's means. Many individuals ramp up their spending each time they receive a pay raise, opting to enhance their lifestyle instead of saving or investing the surplus. By adhering to the principle of spending less than you earn and consistently investing the leftover, you create a foundation for financial stability. Equally detrimental is the absence of an emergency fund. Life's unpredictability can strike at any moment. A sudden medical expense, a car repair, or an unexpected job loss can throw people into financial chaos. Without an emergency fund, many individuals find themselves relying on high-interest credit cards, which can lead to crippling debt. It's advisable to save 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses to shield yourself from these unforeseen costs. Another mistake that many make is accumulating credit card debt. While credit cards can be beneficial when used responsibly, carrying a balance can lead to escalating interest costs. Ideally, credit cards should be paid off in full each month to avoid falling into a debt spiral. Furthermore, failing to invest is a mistake that can erode financial growth. Keeping all your money in a standard savings account often means it won't keep pace with inflation. Understanding the basics of long-term investing can significantly enhance the growth potential of your finances over time. Planning for retirement should not be an afterthought. The earlier you initiate retirement savings, the more your investments can compound and grow. Even modest regular contributions can yield substantial rewards over decades. Additionally, buying items solely to impress others can drain your resources. Rather than comparing yourself to those around you, focus on your individual financial objectives. Not adhering to a budget is another mistake that inhibits tracking your expenses and identifying potential savings. Moreover, disregarding financial education is a lost opportunity. Knowledge is a powerful tool in personal finance, and investing time in learning through books, credible websites, and informative videos can enhance your financial decision-making. To avoid scams that prey on the unsuspecting, exercise caution with offers promising easy money or guaranteed returns. Always verify the legitimacy of such propositions. Lastly, many delay saving or investing in hopes of finding the perfect time. Instead of waiting, small, consistent actions taken today can be remarkably effective in achieving long-term financial success.